Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I haven't streamed in a few days, and I didn't want to stream today. Well, I did, but I went to the pool yesterday and I got a killer sunburn. So just wearing this shirt is causing me great pain. But I miss it. I want to open some packs today and maybe not play video games, maybe play a little bit of Pokemon Red. Probably not, but I got the Calyrex V Ice Rider box with the jumbo card and the promo card. So we'll open that. Alright, so this one comes with 4 packs, the promo and the jumbo. If I can ever get these out, I'll show y'all. I figure I could show you guys the jumbo card, and I don't even have to show you the little one. Yeah, icy boy. Y'all should let me know, do you collect the jumbo cards? Because I don't like them. They don't make me happy. Alright, so in the box, we've got our code card. Then we've got 4 packs. We have got 1 Darkness Ablaze, 1 Rebel Clash, and 2 Chilling Reign. So, we'll get to these first. For solely purpose of I have the least amount of Rebel Clash, I'm going to open this one first. We've got the Inteleon artwork. And let's see how we do. Let me try to get my scissors out without pulling out my camera. And let us cut these in a way that I shouldn't cut them. Alright, we got the code card. There we go. And we will do the usual 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure. Alright. So we've got our Metal Energy. We've got Charger Bug. We've got Stung Tank. We've got the Full Heal. We've got Hadina. The Arracuda. The Galarian Meowth. Unpopular opinion, I hate this guy. I don't like his beard. Alright, we've got our Surskit. Our Magikarp. And then our reverse holo, Halucha. Gotta love it. And finally, we got the Cramorant. Just a normal boy. Okie doke. Now, move on. Got the Darkness Ablaze with, I believe, the Gigantamax version of, boy, I can't remember name of. Let me look at him. Slizzlepede? I think that's the less evolved version. Alright. So, we've got the code card. It's good enough. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time we've got Grass Energy. We've got Rose. Corvisquire. Vibrava. Diglett. Jigglypuff. Rowlett. Cubchoo. Aron. Our reverse holo is Darmanitan. Finally, we've got Octovish. Wow, let's look at that artwork. I guess not. Let's not look at that artwork. Hello? Okay, y'all, we're not looking at it. Okay, now, before I get into the Chilling Rain packs, I bought a couple more Vivid Voltage. We'll get these first. I do want to collect the whole set of as many different sets as possible, but I think the only set that's a possibility for right now would be Chilling Rain. So, I am excited to get to those, even if I've opened a bunch of them already. Alright, our first pack for Vivid Voltage has that Orbital VMAX. Sorry, y'all, I thought I cut a card for a second. I was gonna cry, but I'm okay. It's okay. We've got our code card. Alright, and do 1, 2, 3, 4. And start with the Grass Energy. We've got a Magcargo. We've got a Hitmontop. Got the Drone Rotom Trainer. Got a Skiddo. Got the Pharaoh Seed. Dedenne. Drillbur. Oshawott. And the reverse holo is a Choodle. Oh my god, if you freaking... There we go, Choodle. And finally, the Samurott. Non-holo. Okay, we're getting 0 hits. Very, very sad day. But it's okay. We'll get some in Chilling Rain. I can feel it. I can feel it. Alright. Alrighty. Next Vivid Voltage. I didn't show y'all, but it was the Celebi artwork. Start with the code card. Alright, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, got the energy, the Rocky Helmet, Swellow, Wash Energy, Chatot, Clobbopus, Skiddo, Shuppet, Ferroseed, and reverse holo is a Whalmer. Let me see that, please. And finally, a Shiftry. I'm not upset. I love them. They're all very special. But I want a full out and I want a holo. So these are just a little bit upsetting. 4 packs and no holo. No holo in 4 packs. It's upsetting. Okay. We're gonna jump into Chilling Reign. Alright, this first one we're gonna do is the Galarian Zapdos. Alright, first card is Code Card. And y'all, if you want these, you gotta pause on it, because my camera will not focus for long enough. But there they are. And then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. This pack start with a Water Energy. Then we've got the Celio. And we've got Melanie. Then Whirlipede. Snorunt. Venipede. Snover. Slowpoke. Crabrawler. And the reverse holo is a trainer card for the fire resistant gloves. And finally, we've got a Frostlass. Let's look at that. We got a holo. We got a cool holo. It's one of those, the ones with the lines in the background. She's pretty. It's a nice card. So let's look how much she's worth. 36. Right now, she's worth about 50 cents. We're getting there. We will get there. Where is there? We don't know yet. But we'll be there. As soon as I can pull anything. I don't get anything. Alright. Next one. We got the Galarian Moltres. Okay, first off, trainer card. Like I said, y'all gotta pause it. These aren't staying up there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got the Dark Energy. We've got Avery. We have got Flaffy. We've got Clara, Blitzel, Aeron, Deerling, Delibird, look at him, I don't know your name, Larvesta, and Verse Holo, Spheal, we gotta love Spheal, let's look at that artwork. Oh, look at the chunky boy. And finally, I gave a sneak peek. It's a full art. We're excited. We've got Sandaconda VMAX. Come on, please focus. Yeah, look at that. Alright, he is number 90. So let's look. Right now, he is worth about $3.04. So, very exciting. Come on, we want to see him. Yeah, look at our boy. So exciting. Okay, but we don't want to end it just there, do we? Let's open one or two more packs. Because I got some more. Went to Target. Got that 2-pack limit. I have to go to like 10 Targets a day to try to find them. But underneath, you got the Clarinet. I don't know his name anymore. Calyrex. Calyrex? If y'all kill me, if y'all want to end me, if y'all want to delete me, just get rid of me, do it. I can't pronounce Pokemon names, and I should be ashamed. But I'm not. So, got Clark Jr., the Shadow Boy. Here I am, cutting it dangerously. Alright, code card. Oh no! Ah! Alright. Okay, if this will ever focus, y'all gotta pause it, snatch it up. Alright, that's enough. It focused for a second. Y'all gotta catch it. Then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're starting this pack off with the Grass Energy. And then we've got the Spiral Energy. We've got Peony. We've got Laron. We've got Venipede. Snover. Slowpoke Galarian form. Crabrawler. Snorunt, and a reverse hollow, maybe? Yes. Diglett. And then we've got Sawbuck. Alright, and we got one more single pack. Unless this one has something really good. This one really disappoints me. That's all I'm saying. If it disappoints me, I'll pull one from the booster box. So maybe those will love me more. And I can't keep doing that, so that's where I'll have to end it after one more of these, unless I get something good. But we've got the Clark Icy Boy, Clark Senior. Okie doke. So, as always, trainer code card. Alright, pause it there if you ever want that. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, Dark Energy. Bam, Ledion. Bam, trainer card. Bam, trainer card. Bam, Golett. That's why I need to learn my Pokemon names. Golett. Bam, Porygon. We got Grookey. We got Mareep. We have got Rockruff. And first hollow is Ralts. I didn't forget his name, I was just making sure that this was the reverse hollow. And finally, we've got Malamar. There we go. He's a good boy. He's not hollow. He's not my favorite. We might have just open one more pack for safekeeping. I just don't want him to be lonely in the box. So, pull out Chilling Reign booster box. And we will go with Clark Jr., Shadow Boy. Alright, y'all. I hate it. Hopefully you hate it. And I'm going to keep doing that. Ow. I hurt my nose because of my sunburn. I need to stop squinting. I hurt myself just for you guys to see. Ow. Alright, code card. If any of y'all actually play this game online, let me know if it's fun or not. Because I think that if I end up playing it, I'll just want to collect cards on there. And I won't end up collecting any in person anymore, because I'll be getting them for free. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does anyone else feel that way? Because that's how I do it. That's what happened when I used to play a different game. It starts with the Y, ends with no. I stopped playing because I played it online. Now I just don't play it at all. Alright. Grass Energy. A Trainer Lady. A Trainer Place. A Pokey Lady. We got, what is your name? Bonnie? Your name's Bonnie. Steenie? Stistene? We've got Clobopus. Cast Form. Snowy Cast Form. Oh, look at that. I love him. Alright, we've got Hatina, Aaron, and Ralt. Alright, and then we've got Reverse Hollow Trainer Welding Gloves, Weeding Gloves. Finally, we've got a Sarina, non-hollow. You know I really want to open another pack and get another full art, but we're not in it like that today. So, card of the day is my Sandaconda VMAX that will focus. That's me, sorry y'all. But yeah, that's my card. Love it. Love y'all. Getting off.